We've all heard the saying that the riches are in the niches or niches. It depends on how you say that word. But either way, you can niche down way too much. If you go too focused on a small audience, it's very possible that you will actually not be able to extract enough value to have a sustainable business. Now let's think about this. Let's just go through a mental exercise. If you say, I am going to target people who are interested in Crocs that happen to be between the ages of 16 and 25, who happen to live in a certain geography where the population is already only 50,000 people, and these people are also going to be big fans of the Philadelphia Eagles, that's probably too small of a niche, right? There's not a lot of Eagles fans out there. I'm one of the many few, but all of those others that are watching, fly Eagles fly. But you can niche down too much. And I think that's a mistake that a lot of people do often make. Yes, you can go in the opposite direction and you just don't speak to anyone because you're trying to speak to everyone. But yes, you can also niche down too little to a point where you're unable to actually get any value out of the small group that you're targeting. So what's the sweet spot? You have to think about it in a market that you're trying to go after is actually being a market that can result in, by you having, let's say 5, 10, 0.01% of the total market, able to have a business that is actually sustainable for the lifestyle that you want to live. If you look at your niche, you look at the audience that you're trying to reach and think about how much money each of these people would be willing to pay you, and you can't get beyond $10,000 a year, it's probably too small of a niche for this to become eventually your full-time gig. You have to expand it. You have to grow it. It has to go bigger than what you are currently looking at. But if it is a crowded niche and you can get 0.01%, then that can be exactly where you need to be.